Excuse me, is this Ninja School?
Here is Ninja School.
Where is the teacher?
I'm the teacher
You're a teacher? Why suits?
because it's in Japan. Well, welcome to Ninja School.
Sensei, nice to meet you. Sensei, how does a ninja run? Sensei, how does a ninja use shuriken? Sensei, how can ninja disappear?
Well, before we start, let's read this. What's this? It's a ninja. What's this? It's a ninja. What's this? It's ninja. What's this?
Ah, it is ninja.
It's English AOJ. It's English AOJ. It's English AOJ. At AOJ Language School, you can learn Japanese with the video lecture and lab lecture. We have the courses from beginner course to the advanced course. You can learn Japanese anytime and anywhere. Welcome to join AOJ Language School. No admission fee. We are recruiting the students for October semester. Please search AOJ Language School online.